folder name is programs, otherwise coding, up to you. What is my folder name? Programs. Good. There is empty folder, Daniel. Nice. Open this empty folder. Open this location. Go to that location actually. Right. Here you need to open a command prompt. I hope you know how to open command prompt. How to open, sir? CMD. Yeah. Command prompt opened actually. And here you need to run a command. That command name is a Jupyter Notebook. Chapter sir, Jupyter. It's not like a class notebook actually. It's a notebook. It what exactly mean? Notebook actually. One more time. Can you tell me the command name? Jupyter. The moment once you are typing and entering this command, automatically what happen? You are starting the server. You are starting what, Sarji? Server will be starting the backend actually. Then that server, it open the browser automatically. Listen, these are all things that are happening in the backend. The moment once you are entering this command, Daniel, I have entered. Now let me just try to press enter button. Two things are happening in the backend. First one, you are starting the server. You are starting what, Sarji? Then you should never ever close this command prompt. Second point, that server backend it is starting, right? It open the browser automatically. It opens the browser what, Sarji? Automatic. In that browser, we need to start writing coding. We need to start writing. That's the process. Are you ready? Let's just try to press enter button. Please be patient. See, it hits the server supposed to be start. You should never ever close this. Server is starting in the backend. Please don't touch this actually. Don't even close this. It's supposed to hit the browser automatically. It's supposed to hit the browser automatically. Come on. It is taking too much time. Yes, please be patient. See, I didn't do anything. While running the server hits the browser. This browser is browser in the sense command prompt or else Internet Explorer also, or else Edge actually, maybe in your laptop if it is Microsoft Edge. Good man. You can see Jupyter, file, view, settings, help. These are all things you can see actually. Are you clear or not, sir? Good. I will repeat 2 to 3 times. Don't worry. Then Daniel, how to work with this Jupyter? Very simple. Go to the file. Go to what exactly mean? File. New notebook. Otherwise, go to the new. Go to what exactly, sir? Here new option. Here we have it directly actually. Here we have it directly. Click on new and here Python 3 IP kernel. Are you with me or not, sir? Then let me click on this one. If you are clicking on this, new browser, it will be open automatically. New tab, it will be open automatically. Good man. Yeah. Now the environment is ready. By default, it is giving the name. What is the name? Untitled. Tell me. Untitled. Let me just try to tell. I would like to tell practice 1. I would like to say first time practice. First time practice actually. Good. Hold on. Everybody look at my screen. Programs folder. Command prompt. Jupyter notebook. So it hits the browser. Server will run in the backend. So opens the browser automatically. Then start work with Jupyter. These are all steps actually. These are all what exactly mean steps. Okay. So a kind note, let me tell you. Man, if it is a Python program, the extension is .py. Can you tell me what is extension? Extension is .py. Sir, if it is a Jupyter file, instead of program, let us say file. If it is Jupyter file, if it is what exactly mean? Jupyter file, the extension is IPYNB. IPython, right? So Python, NB means notebook. NB means what, Sarji? Trust me, you should not delete this actually. You should not delete this extension. First, now untitled will become like a first. Yeah, untitled will become like a first. Am I right? Now this is called as a, these are all panel, don't worry. This is called as a cell. Tell me, sir. Cell. Cell phone, right? So, but it is not a cell phone, cell, one cell actually. Here you can just try to maximize. Do you know Google Colab? Same thing actually, same thing. In local VDN. Let me write the first example, print. Hello. Once you have written the program, listen please. Once you have written the program, I want you to run this. To run this one, there is a one button here. That button name is a run. Run this cell. You know where your mouse is available and your cursor point is available here. You can just try to hover your mouse and click on this one. Yeah, you got output like a hello. You got output like? Are you with me? That too, you got a number here. Number. What is the number? 1. We'll do one thing. Value is equals to. Let me create one small variable. A equals to 10. A equals to what, Sarji? 10. I would like to print the same variable. Print of A. Print of what exactly mean? A. Now we can run this one. You can run this one actually. So the beauty here, you can write the code, run the code actually. Quickly you can see the output. Quickly you can see what, Sarji? Output. Are you clear? Go back and you can. Do you need more cells actually? Imagine once you are running this cell, new cell it will become automatically. But if you are looking for other cell, click on plus symbol, one more cell added. Click on other symbol, one more cell added actually. Sir. Here, Daniel, let's create a one variable. Variable name is a B. B equals to 20. B equals to what, sir? Run this one. In the next cell, if you want, you can print. You can what exactly mean? Print. This is possible. This is possible. Conclusion of the story. Once you create a variable, that variable is available for all this kernel. The completely this is called as a kernel actually. Chapter sir. One more time. Kernel actually. We open kernel, started working on this. I would like to repeat one more time. I will close the Jupyter in front of you. I will start. Let us work with pandas example. Let us work with pandas example. Then I will start work with the project. Are you clear? Good. I have one small question. Everybody please answer. To start Jupyter, what I done actually, I created a folder. Folder name is a programs. Chapan sir, program. Once I created a programs folder, I opened a command prompt. I opened what? Then what is the command I have run? Everybody. Very good. Then I open, Jupyter. Then I open another tab actually. For the tab, default name is untitled. What is the default name? We have renamed with what exactly? First, very good. That first you can see instead of programs. Okay. That first you can see instead of programs. Extension IPYNB. There is a one file. If any file started with the dot, symbol, that is a supporting file. Ignore that actually. Ignore that. Till now you are clear, I guess. Can I continue? Yeah, good. I will do the same thing. Then let's do it one more time. Actually. Let's close this. Let me just try to show. Yeah, please. Take care. We'll do one thing. I can just try to delete this. The same process I will do one more time. Can I talk with online team? Wanted to open Jupyter. Here you can just to open command prompt. Now what is the command name? Jupyter notebook. Previously one student classmate he written actually. It's a notebook. Notebook actually. Not classmate notebook. Server is starting. Oh, previously I didn't close this too. It looks like this. Yes. Jupyter open. Jupyter what exactly sir opened actually? Then I wanted to open new kernel. Go to the file and new and notebook. Otherwise, here by default that option they kept actually. Click on this. Then new tab opens automatically. Please be patient. See, new tab opens automatically. What is the name? Untitled. Chapan sir, what is the name? Untitled. Can I give the name? Yes, you can give. I can give something like a second. First, second, third, fourth, something like that actually. Good. Now here, hello, I wanted to run pandas example. I wanted to run what example? Pandas example. Yeah, we can run actually. Cell by cell if you want, you can run. Cell by cell. First line I can write Import pandas as PD. Very good, sir. Import pandas as a PD. Star indicates to loading in the backend. Star indicates to loading in the backend. You have to wait until you see the number. You should not proceed the next step. Number, yeah, we got a number. I mean to say, successfully we run this one actually. Successfully we run this one. Are you clear? Good. We'll do one thing. Imagine I have created a variable A and I'm printing, I'm just trying to create a variable. I supposed to print what exactly? A. But can I print B? No. What is error? Very good. What error? Same error also here you will get. Same error actually. Same error. Are you clear? So please, you have to be understand actually. Now move on to the next one. Move on to the next one actually. What you need to be understand, Import pandas as a PD. Import pandas as what's such a PD. Can you tell me what is the next line? Creating a data frame. Loading a file actually. Loading a file. What is the code? df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. What is the file name? Sales1.csv. If I am running this one, can you guess the output actually? Exactly same. Error same. Then I have a question. Where this Jupyter you opened actually in desktop? In desktop, what is the folder name? Programs. Inside program, sales1 is not available. Exactly. Go to the programs. Sir, don't close this. Minimize this. Yeah, exactly. Where second is available? Where exactly second is available? In that location, sales1 is not available. Then that's what error. That's why what's such error. Can I capture that error, Daniel? Can I fix that error? Copy the file. What is the file, Sachi? Sales1. Now you guys just try to come here and run this one. Yes, man. Fix it actually. Don't worry about the number. I will tell you how to format that number actually. Till now you run the cell, total 4 cells you run. Now I wanted to see the data frame. I wanted to see what's Sachi? Data frame. Print to df. Print what exactly, man? Df. Wow. You can just run this. Yes, the data frame is created. Data frame is what, Sachi? Created actual. Created actual. Data frame is ready. Instead of using print, Daniel, in Jupyter there is one great added advantage. Do you wanted to use print actually? You can just have to, no need to use print. You can directly create a variable and you can just have to assign. Yeah, it looks pretty good actually. It is highlighting some bold letters, like a very nice format actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. I wanted to see top 5 rows. How to see? Head method, very nice, man. You can just have to call df dot what's such a head method. Good. Very nice. I wanted to see only name of the columns. How to see? df dot columns actually. I wanted to print all number of rows on columns. Then you guys are very good in preparation. Prepare okay, good. Keep continuing. Fine. I explained first to Python example. Next pandas example. Now let me start the project. Are you comfortable with the Jupyter? Easy, right? Let's start, sir. Let's close everything. That's it. Let me start the project.